I've been experimenting with some software to help with cross-country task planning. If you select a region, it populates a box with the possible turning points you can use as start and end points, and you can then specify the number of legs you wish the task to be and how long you wish it to be. It'll then calculate the shortest task that meets the distance specification, and up to 100 of them in fact. You can then see it on the map, plotted with the airspace, the turning points, the coastline or border, and you can step through looking for one that you think is suitable. It doesn't reject those that go through controlled airspace, it leaves that to you. It's an aid to planning, not doing the planning for you. After all, you might think it's okay to go through controlled airspace, you can get permission. Or you might think the base is high enough that you can get underneath it. It won't make those sorts of decisions for you. When I run the program, it finds that it's got data for the UK and USA, so it offers those as the possible regions. If we leave it on the UK, we've got all the BGA turning points listed with SUT as the default. We can specify how many legs we want, as 2, 3 or 4, and the distance we want, and I'll put 150 kilometers in there. And now it offers us a 4-leg task, which is 150.01 kilometers, the shortest it could find that exceeded 150 kilometers. We've got the coast plotted if it's on the map, which it isn't in this case. The towns are shown in outline, and if I click on that, we get the airspace names shown as well. That's the shortest of the 4-legged routes it could find that exceeded 150 kilometers, starting and finishing at Sutton. If we go to the next one and the next, there we are. We see the coast is plotted as well, and now we've got all the way to 150.03 kilometers, 30 meters over the minimum we've specified. So if we want to allow a little bit to spare for a cylinder turning point, for example, then we should add it to the distance we've got there. And if we put something in there, we get a different route, of course, and we can then go through and find out one that we like. It pays no attention in terms of suggesting a route to whether there's controlled airspace in the way or not. That's up to you to reject it if you wish, or to go round, or to get permission to go through. Nor does it take into account what the elevation of the land is. I would like to put a map as a background to that, or at least have it available, but as yet that's proved a little complicated. This is an initial version of the software, and accordingly it provides some minimum functionality that I think is useful. I hope it is. I'd be pleased to hear what you think. Thank you.